showcasing the stunning autumn colours at Shenfield Park near Uckfield. As Claudia Sabasis reports, it's the season the famous garden there was planted for.
Sugar. That's what it's all about. Sugar trapped in leaves changes their colour as the tree prepares to shed them. This clever chemistry encouraged one of the owners to curate an autumn display that remains of international importance.
The creator of our garden, Arthur Soames, in the 1900s he handpicked a lot of our trees, so he went and he looked for ones that had the best autumn colour, and then he brought them here, and that's why they look so great.
Even the reflections in the lake are deliberate. It's all rather a painting.
And on days as glorious as this, it's easy to see why. For generations, people's creativity has been sparked by nature. From the Norse gods like Thor and his thunder and lightning, to Greek mythology, and all of this representing Persephone's abduction to the underworld, and the leaves falling in misery as autumn begins.
Myths were developed to explain why things in the world occurred, with autumn signalling a mother's sadness. For senior gardener Jodie Hilton, this is their most important season, even if it's taken a while to arrive.
We've had a really staggered year for autumn colour this year, so some of them have turned earlier and have dropped their leaves in the stormier weather we've had, whereas some have turned later because of the warm September we had, and that means that we've still got a spectacular show at Shenfield Park a lot later in the season than we would normally.
The benefit of shedding leaves is that trees retain moisture, tolerate winter storms and ultimately survive until the green buds of spring swell forth. Claudia Sabasis, BBC South East Today, Shenfield Park.
I think Persephone would be proud.